Welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Don Ferreira, limited tutorial class. You are welcome again. Once again, the last video we did window hood design. Place all this window hood design and also place this curtain wall. So in this episode, we're going to be dealing with, we're going to install columns here with massing. We're going to create a wall through here with massing. So I'm going to use massing to do different cuttings. But this time around, I'm not going to use massing here. We're going to use generic modeling to create massing. So I'm going to use different formats to do creating of massing. And also we're going to roof this. So let's start by roofing this building now. We have shown you how to do roofing. We have shown you how to do roofing in most of our videos. So roofing is not an issue. Go to modeling. This 2009 Revit. So go to modeling. You're going to see roof here. Then tap it roof by foot. So let me go to level 3. I can do that in level 2 though. But let me go to level 2. Okay. Okay. Pick up my line. Now I want my roof to go between here. Okay, inside. I want it to be inside between here. So it's not going to be at the surface like most of our video we've done. We do externals. But this time around, we're going this way. So on reaching here, you're going to be outside. Okay, you're going to be outside. On reaching here to be outside, like so. No, Control Z. Control Z. Now that edge is not supposed to be outside, it's supposed to be inside. Okay. Pick a line again. Dropped it, pick it up. So I'm going to also set our slope to be inside. It's a curtain wall. So it's coming this way. Inside. It's going that way. Inside. So we'll have a lower roof here. So we're just avoiding the lower roof area. Okay. I think we're supposed to do this at our top level. Supposed to do this at top level, at top level. So let's just continue. Here we're going to remove all the slope definition. All the slope definition here. I'm going to remove it. If this define slope, we're not defining any slope on this region. Okay, on this region, we're not defining any slope. This region too, we're not defining any slope. No, we're defining any slope at any. We're defining slope at front. We're defining slope at the front. Okay, I think we're done with. We're left with here. So only leaving this place to be sloped. So let's say finish roof. Would you like material to go alongside? Yes. Join elements. Let me see. Cancel. I think we're going to redo this roof again. The reason is that we're supposed to take this level 2. Supposed to do it here. So we'll start deleting some things we have done here. Look at what we have achieved. going to do this roof again. So looking at it this way, it's two down. Okay, want to do it from level 3. Let me highlight it and run the slope first. Slope is supposed to be 15, but it have a gentle slope. Does it have a gentle slope? 15. You see, it's coming this way. Let's see. So let's just delete that. Let's delete it. Do it at the level we're supposed to do it. Just delete it. Delete. We've deleted it. So let's go to the level we're supposed to do it and do it. Okay. Let's go to the level we're supposed to do it and do it and see. Okay. So let's see. Into roof 5 feet. Quick sketch. Roof 5 feet. Quick. Okay. Here. Here. We are just only cutting the upper layer. Like so. The other one is a lower roof. So this one is projection. And we are done. Let's do something with it. Now let me move this to the brim. Let's do something with it. Define this slope. Now avoid. Find this slope. Let me see where it's placed. Now avoid. Define the slope. Find the slope. Find the slope. As so. Find the slope. Find the slope. Okay, I'm not finished. Yes. Touch. Touch. Okay. Let's see what I've done. 3D. This is what I've gotten. So therefore, we're going to take this slope now down. Let's say we're going to do it. I want to do it with first of all, let me start with changing the thickness of this. I want it to be 50 millimeter. And the texture, let me use the fourth roof. The fourth roof material. I want to see it in a format. To see it in a format. Use this, not using that. So I want to pick a roof. To pick a roof. Okay. Okay, let me pick this quickly. Okay. So I'm going to define the slope now. Still synchronizing. So I'm going to define the slope now. Okay. What is the slope? What the thickness already? Okay. Let's define the slope. Let's make it 10. Let's make it 10. Let's see. I'll make it 7. But let's see. You see? Let's make it. Okay, let's make it 7. See? See, my lights edit. Do something this way. Okay. Let me say 7. Jump too slow. Okay, we still have a little here. Let's say 6. Let's say 6. 6. This is 5. 6. Okay. And 6, we are good. With 6, we are good. Look at the gentle slope we have, right? Okay, so this is how to place our roof model. This is how to place our roof model. So let me also place roof design here. Let's see the edge here. Have a projection. A little projection. Yeah. Little projection. If you want to project it more, you can always go here. Highlight the roof. Yeah. Highlight the roof. Edit. And bring this out down out a bit. Okay, always project it this way. Finish. And let's go there and see. Look at this projected now. And see it's projected. This is the sheet out a bit. So let's also do this quickly. This of the lower roof. This of the lower roof. The lower roof area, and let's run it as well. Let's still go there to our level 3. Still on the roof, 5 feet. Keep up a line. This one is going to be inside all through. I'm going to place a slope to it. Like so. This is a lower roof, very flat roof. I'm going to probably use casting and building and use proof material to stop water flow. So that is what I'm going to do on this area to gain stability. Water. We have a drain here, we can link it here, place a wall here, a pipe here to drain every water coming this way, not on the column, but here. So let's see. Let's define all the slope. Remember, we are going to do modeling with massing, generate model, change the color of massing, for it not to be white, so it not to have the same color all through. you're having difficulty on that, follow us in our designs. We're showing you how to do all of that. Okay. Define this first, so get trimmer to adjust it. So let me finish. Okay. Now, edit. Finish load. That's it. Finish. Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z. And to change that command. And to change this command. Finish. No. I want this projection to come up. If I say yes, to cut off everything will go beneath. Okay. This is what I've got. So let me raise it up a bit. Raise it up a bit. Okay. So I can bring in my ceiling on it. This is what I've done so far. So we're able to have achieved the roofing. So what else to do now is we have to place want to place the design here. In the last video we did design, we use wall to do that design. But this time around I want to use a cutting wall to do a design here. First of all, let me start by placing a pillar here. We have done this kind of design before. We use square pillars to do that. But today, let us use round pillar. Let's show you how to use massing to achieve that. I use blocks to do white square. So I want to use massing now to do round of it. Okay. So let's see how to do about that. Let's say we also make use of by sketch also. First of all, let's use massing. Massing also for me to create. So can you generate model? Massing. Okay. Swept. So let's swap. Sketch. Pick a plane. I want to pick a plane so I can be able to direct where my column will be. Yes, not there. Not there. This one. It's going inside. Just need to check where you're picking. That's picked already. Width. Yes. I want to pick massing. Solid form. Solid swap. Sketch. Pick a plane. Pick a plane. Set work plane, then pick a plane. I want to pick here. Surface, this is where I want to pick. I want a vertical. I'll go from that wall, chain here and here. That's what I want to achieve. Okay. So therefore, when I finish parts, it will take me to the roof. I need to go to the roof. I cannot go to any of the view to do this. I've done this design before, something like that, similar. I have to go to the roof to do this. I can pick the pen. So I want a round. Okay. Let me do this quickly. So let's see. I have a radius of of 30, of 90, a radius of 90. That is a width of 90 millimeter, or of 120 or 180. So let's see if we're working with this. Let's finish. So let me adjust this a bit. Move this clip in it and place it at the center. Okay. Let's place it at the center. I think it's not half getting what I want. Now adjust again. Let's edit again. Edit. Okay. And move entirely. Okay. Pick up a line. Want it to be up to get a wall of 230. It's 230. It's 220, 230. Yes, I'm picking the wall of 230. So okay. So speaking of 230 frame, so it's touching the two wall, the edges. So finish. So this is what I've achieved. I want to adjust it a bit. Finish massing to highlight it. But first of all, let me move these lines on it. With that, okay, let's go back to the top view. We'll go to this view, side view. I want to go to a view where we'll see this or feel this properly. What view we want with this? Okay. Okay. Can still use ceiling view to do this. Wow. Side view. It's a view we used before. No, I know this is the 2 view, 3 view, 4 view, another view from there. Okay. Let's do this quickly. Let me use edit. Let me finish it. I want to place, okay, I can still do this from here. I'm highlighting to see where my line falls. So I can move a bit, move it. Okay, let's edit. Highlight again. Okay. I want to highlight that wall to see that wall. Finish massing. Highlight. This is it. It's too much. Edit again. Highlight. Enough view it from. Okay, let me see. Finish again. Highlight. Okay, it's on it already. So let me highlight and copy. Copy. In here and here. Okay. I think I'm okay with this position. So let me finish it and see how it looks like. Let's see what we've done in 2D. This is how to have a round column. It's how to have a round column. You want to have a round column on this. I said in this video we're doing baluster with creating wall. Okay. Okay. So I'm checking something to check if this record is still going on. To my app, I use the record on this. So first of all, what I'm going to do, let me check this. Let's create baluster here. Let's create baluster here. Then we now do that. Let's create baluster. I've showed you how to do the scoping design. So let's create baluster here using the designs to do this baluster here. First of all, creating baluster. Let's go to second floor. Let's create a railing. Let me see, railing. We're going to see the same railing we have here to start all of that. Like this. We'll edit. If you want to know how we do this baluster design, go to our video. We've done some design like that, baluster. Okay, we're doing it here again now. Finish sketch. So let's see what we've done. We're okay with this. Well, okay, let's see what we've done in 3D view. This is a baluster. This is a baluster. Okay, this is rail. So I want to change it to glass baluster. So what I'm going to do now is to highlight this. Let's highlight this. Then let's go to use front view to do this. No, let me raise it up a bit. Raise it up a bit. Kind of think this way is okay. Down a bit. It is okay this way. So let's go to setting, predict. Okay, well, let's do the down one. So let's from here, let's change this to rail one host. Therefore, this is the middle host. We lock it up to rail one. You see how then from the base, remove this from rail one. Then the whole settings will cancel. First of all, cancel. I want to start off afresh. This is in my design already. So let me do, first of all, highlight. I'll duplicate this design. But then I want to duplicate this design first of all. Else, I will change all the whole railing. So therefore, now go to this host and change this from here. I'm leaving the middle, the edges. So changing this as well. Okay, 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 okay. So we have left this, we'll have only the edges left with us. So what I'm going to do, we're done with our design already here with the railing. So what next to do is to pick a wall. Pick a wall. First of all, let me go to level 2, where I'll do all of that. Pick a wall. Which wall are we going to make use of this time? So let's see if we're going to make use of generic 12. Okay, generic 12. We'll make use of it before. I think we have made use of it before. Okay. It's a messing. I don't think we've used masking before. I don't think we've used masking before. I want to set this masking now to be bigger glass. First of all, I want to change the height to any height I want to change it to. Let me say it's 1 meter. 1 meter. Start with. Therefore, edit. I want the thickness to be as low as half inch, and the half inch is around 1 inch is 50. No, 1 inch is 25, and half an inch should be 12.5. Let me say 15. So therefore, let me change it to glass. Let me change the format to glass. This is glass, glass window, glass curtain, glass in the window. Whichever the glass you want to pick, you can pick. Let me pick this glass. Okay. Curtain glass. Okay. Want to show in appearance as well. Okay. So let me change this. Make it a bit darker. Can change it entirely and bring up a different glass here. Okay. Okay, apply. Okay, whichever one you're doing. Apply. Also, I don't like using apply most of the time if I'm doing tutorial class, because I will use okay and go all through faster. It's a sweet command. Look at what we've gotten. So just apply it now. Want to see it in 3D, you can see it in 3D. Save. Whenever Premium is asking, Revit is asking you to save, you save. It's sort of achieved. Okay, we've done the work with this. So let's go back to our 2D view and do this quickly. Wall, pick a wall. This is a wall of picked. So let's now place it here at the middle of the array, like so. Like so. In the middle of the array, this edge. Still going to join it together, don't worry. Take it to the brim. And even join it in the 3D view. Okay. So let's shift this to the middle. Let's shift it to the middle. Okay. Also change the thickness of your frame. The frame is not big enough. I'm going to change it. I'm going to go and change it now. Let's go to 3D view. This is it. The edges are not touching very well. Use trim. I like this. I like this. Like this. Also, let's see it's at 2D view. Trim extension. Pick this view and this view together. That is what I want to do. Here too. This one has aligned already. It's okay. Let's see. They have aligned, but we're having a wall, a frame at the edge. Having a frame at the edge. So this is how to do your baluster design. This is how to have a baluster design. Let's see the height, which will take it. It's okay. Edit. Wow. This height is extremely much. Okay, let's finish. I think the wall is it picks panel all through. Pick the panel all through. Dimension we use here, he did not use it. Second, say the height shouldn't be more than 1 meter. Okay. At 1 meter, we're having this, let's say 1 meter 10. 1.1. Okay. Let's say 1 meter. Let's leave it at 1 meter. We're going to bring the rail down a bit. Let's pick this other one. It's 1 meter. I want it to be from 0 at the same time 1 meter. If I'm picking the right word, cancel. Let's see the wall we picked. Picked the wrong wall. This is the wall here. Okay, picking the wrong wall. Let's go to the view where we've seen everything the way it is. Picking the wrong wall. Let's pick this wall here. This is the wall we picked now. I want it to be 1 meter. Okay. I think we have it here left. So this is how to use and also panel the whole area with glass now. Since you have your panels designed on this. So follow us. T1 will give you rope lighting on the ceiling too. We're going to give you rope lighting on the ceiling. I'll show you how to do models, different modeling with graphic designs. So let's bring this down a bit. You can leave it this way if you want the design that way, but I want to take it to plug it here. Okay, we're done this way. So let me pick that frame, edit that frame. I need to edit it to be bigger a bit. What is the rail I'm using here? This is 2 by 2. I want to be 3 by 3. Okay, okay, okay. So this is what I've gotten. It's not bigger. Let's go to 2D and see it. It's not bigger than what we had before. Let's take it inside a bit. It's not bigger. So it's covering very well now. So this is a baluster design. This is how we create a baluster design. Okay. This design we've gotten, the look we've gotten here. So I probably decide to push this up a bit. Push it up a bit. Push it up a bit. I believe on top of like this, like this. Let me take it up a bit again. Just want to have it here. Then take these levels to meet it up, like so. Like so. And go the other way around to do the same. Okay. Let's see if I can get it here. If I cannot, use dimension to do that. Look at it here. Now go to any of your view, do that. Okay. I see. going on. You can leave it there because it's not really showing anymore. Okay, on it. So let me, I have one left inside. Just go here and do this. Let me check the height this one is going with. This one is going with 547. Okay. Let me go here and do this. Probably here, do this 540 or something. This and this 547. 5 this 540. 5,000. 5,540. Okay, 5,540. Let's see if we are on it. It's more than. Let's verify what you had there. Okay. This is 5,400. 5,400. Let's put at least 5,400. I think it's 5,440. Just make it 20 to lap error. I think we're okay. And add 20 to this. Sure. So that's the lap error. Maybe I'll go with it. I think this is it. So let me delete this. So this is how to do a baluster design and create our designs modeling with wall and revit and massing. So follow us for more content like the one we give generic model, how to do, how we can be able to design, one how the design here, we're going to have different color of massing. We're going to have the same massing, this color this time around. Follow for more content like this. We'll keep bringing for you designs like this. Like our page, subscribe to our channel, and follow for more.